Nicole. We love you. We miss you. God bless you. I pray that the Lord will bless you and keep you. The Lord will shine His face upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord will lift up His countenance upon you and give you peace. I love you and God bless you and happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. So, ang wish ko para sa'yo ay success ng career mo, kung ano man ang pipiliin mo. And alam mo naman na love ka namin, buong family, buong Villegas family, love ka namin. So, lahat naman ng achievement mo, proud na proud kami sa inyo. Maliit or malaki man yan. Ayun lang, mag-iingat ka palagi. God bless. And miss you so much.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Ate Nicole! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Nicole! We pray for God's wisdom, good health, and protection be upon you always. Happy 18th birthday! Love you!
Bye, Ate Nicole!
Happy birthday, Nicole! We miss you. Natatandaan mo pa ba kami? Si Tita Chi. Tatandaan mo pa si Yesha, kalaro mo. Okay, happy birthday! Wish you to have a very bright future and success in all what you're gonna do, okay? Wish you all the best, baby. Happy birthday again. Happy 18th birthday. No longer a baby pala. Kasi dalaga ka na, okay? Daddy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Nicole. I just want to greet you a very happy 18th birthday. And I wish you all the best in life, my dear. And I hope to see you soon. I'm so proud of you. I've seen all your accomplishment and I'm so happy for you. Again, a very happy birthday and God bless you always. You take care. Bye!
18 years old ka na, dalaga ka na, and you're so very big lady na. So, I'm wishing you all the best in life and God bless you always. See you soon.
More dreams to come true!
May you have many more birthdays to come. Happy and good health. At sana pagkatapos mo makagraduate mo pag-aral, magkatrabaho ka agad.
Nicole, happy birthday! Good health and God bless.
Happy birthday, Nicole! Happy birthday, Ninang. Thank you po sa lahat.
We love you!
Hi, Taweng. Happy 18th birthday. 18 ka na. Ang laki mo na. Ayun, happy birthday. Lagi magbabait. Alagaan mo si kuya at si ate palagi. I miss you. Mahal ko kayo. Bye-bye.
I'm so happy to see how you've grown. And I'm sure alam mo, mahal ka ng mga magulang mo. Keep following your heart. At laging makinig sa mga magulang. Dahil alam mo namang hindi ka nila dadalhin sa kahit anong kapahamakan. Ikaw pa. So, abangan ka namin dito sa Calgary and sana huwag nyo nang patagalin pa. Take care. We love you, Nicole. We miss you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ate Taweng! Wishing you good health and more blessings to come. I love you. Miss you.
Birthday! Love you. Happy birthday!
Stay awesome and cool!
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday, and I wish you all the best, not only today, but every day of your life. I wish that you will continue to be a good daughter to your parents and a good person to everybody na makakasalamuha mo. I hope you will have a very good future.
I want to wish you a happy 18th birthday. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo is sana matupad mo ang pangarap mo at maging successful ka sa kung ano man ang pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Hindi ko nasasabihin na magpakabait ka kasi alam ko naman na mabait na bata ka. Sana magkita rin tayo soon. So, yeah, kasi nung last time na makita kita, baby ka pa. And sana mag-reunion tayo, magkita tayo para ma-meet mo rin yung mga pinsan mo. Yun lang, again, happy 18th birthday.
Oh, Nicole, happy birthday sa'yo, bunso ko. Sana sa birthday mong ito, maging mabuti kang bata, magsipag mag-aral, saka wag kang magpapabaya sa sarili mo. Dapat laging good health, yung mga pagkain, kain ka lang ng kain, saka ka na mag-diet. I love you, baby.
Hi, Nicole. Congratulations on your special day. I miss again another year for you. Happy 18th. My wish to you is good health. Stay humble as like your parents, bubbly and pretty. In God's will and perfect time, somehow, someday we will be seeing in person. Just remember, you are being loved and cared by everybody around you.
I would like to greet you a happy 18th birthday, and I'm wishing you a bright future ahead. Sorry we cannot come on your 18th birthday. I wish na magkita-kita tayo ulit, at marami na akong utang sa iyo. Happy birthday ulit, and regards to the family, take care always, Mare and Pare. Wishing you all the best and missing you all. Bye-bye!
Hi, Nicole! Taweng, 18 ka na, so di na kita tatawagin Taweng. Happy 18th birthday, Nicole! I love you so much. Miss na kita. Wish you all the best. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral mo, matupad mo lahat yung mga dreams mo. Maalam ko, mahal na mahal ka nina kuya at ate, kaya lalong magpapakabait. Again, Nicole, happy 18th birthday. Enjoy your day. I love you, Tawen. Miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Nicole. I can't believe that you're already 18 years old. And I'm so happy to see that you are growing to be this God-fearing, beautiful, smart, loving lady that you are. And I wish that God will bless you more, and that all your dreams may come true. Stay as sweet and as a good daughter as you are right now. We miss you, Ate. We love you too. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday. Bye. Bye-bye.
Hello,
Hi, Nicole.
Nicole. Happy birthday. Say, no. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's birthday, Nicolika.
Anyway.
Yeah. Enjoy.
Hi, Nicole. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Nicole. Dibo mo na. Dalaga ka na, hindi ka na bata. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon.
Happy birthday
to you. Ayan ha, pinagbigyan ka namin. Babatiin ka ulit namin ng happy 18th birthday! Kamusta kayong lahat dyan sa Dubai? At kami dito sa bansa ng Milk and Honey from New Zealand. God bless you all!
Tol, happy birthday. Sana'y dumating ka pa sa tandang maabot mo ang edad ko. 90. I love you.
Happy 18th birthday. You are already a lady.